Hello, this is Mr. Huff, and I want to just real quickly go through a few announcements for engineering, design, and development. First thing is, the work is going to go on. You guys have things you need to be doing. There's no reason you can't continue to move your prototyping forward at home, your testing at home, your documentation at home. There's nothing holding you back from that. You may have to do some virtual conferencing with each other, so you guys can either do text or whatever. If you need me to set up a meet for you guys on using the Google tools through the school, I can certainly do that for you. Just let me know what you need. So that's the main thing, is work goes on. My expectations are that you continue what you're doing. So the first thing I want to show you is one of the things I'm planning to use to keep in communication with everyone all at once. We're going to use announcements. So if you click on that, and there's nothing in there right now, so but I'll put this videos like this and these announcements. So if I have anything that I want to share with everybody all at once, I'm going to do it here. Next thing I need to do is talk about, if you go to the home page, there's a video specifically about this, but I want to just point out that I will have virtual conference times. We're going to be using Google Meets to do this, and I'll be available twice a day for face-to-face questions or chat, so that you can ask questions of me directly and I can respond right then. If it's outside of those times, if I would ask you to use Google Inbox, not Google Inbox, Canvas Inbox, and shoot me a note. Be really specific. So don't just say, hey, I don't know what to do. You need to be really clear. Ask me specific and direct questions and I can get back to you. This is going to catch my attention more quickly than my Google Inbox. So just wanted to point that out. The other thing I would need to go over is how we're going to show evidence of work as you go through this in an at-home learning environment. So as always for my class, use modules. The Canvas calendar is going to get super cluttered for you guys because everybody's going to be posting daily assignments in every class. So to keep organized in my class, I'm using modules. As you can see, we have a work week 1 for at-home learning. You can expand that and collapse it. And what I'm expecting from you guys, watch these couple of videos for an introduction. Every day you need to complete this attendance quiz. Every day. Okay. What this is our way of keeping track of who's been in our class for that day. If you don't do this, then you won't have been in the class. So every day complete this little quiz. It's one question. It says, are you here today? And you just say, yes, I am, and you're done. These are 2 little introduction videos about expectations and how to get around the Canvas content. They both have little quizzes at the end, not a big deal. I have a video where I go into a little more detail about what I'm expecting from you guys. I remind you of some notebook use requirements, and then every day I want you to post in these discussions. You'll see there's a discussion for every day. So let's open one up. And then at the end, hang on, before we do that, at the end, we have a reflection one where you're just thinking about the week, and then scan your notebook for everything you've done in the week. Let's open up one of these discussions. They're pretty much the same thing over and over. All right, so the discussion looks like this. You're basically going to go in here and hit reply, and what you need to think about is, what did you do today? What was your most significant achievement? What are the setbacks? I want both of those things discussed. And be clear. Don't just put things like, I worked on prototype. It was hard. It needs to be really specific about what you did and what you did to move your project forward. Also, include an attachment when you hit reply here. It gives you a chance to attach some things. So include an attachment that says, this is what I did today. It can be a PDF, a JPEG, and PNG, picture, something. Just give me something to show me that you worked on your project today. And then after you've posted, I want you to reply to someone else's if it looks like they have questions, or give them an encouraging word, or if they had similar setbacks, just put a post on someone else's. So I should see from you every day your responses to these questions and your response to someone else's post. So that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, again, shoot me a note or catch me in one of my virtual conferences. Remember to keep calm and wash your hands.